Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show how to set notification flashlight alert system. When your iPhone get any notification, your flashlight will turn on and it's notify you your iPhone get notifications. Go to settings and swipe down. If you use iPhone 4, 5, 5s, 6, 6 plus, you can set this system. Click on settings, then click on general, then click on accessibility, then swipe down and you see a option hearing. Under hearing you see here a option LED flashlight flash for alerts. Click on it and first time you see your LED flash for alerts, it's turn off. Then you click on it and turn on it. Then if you get any notification, your flashlight will turn on. For example, I call my phone, my flashlight notify me. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos and stay with Apple Info.